Marami pong nagtatanong yan, no, Maricel. Actually, nung nakalaya na po ako in November of 2023, wala naman talaga ako na plano na bumalik sa politika. To go back to to run for any position in the 2025 elections. Ang tanging plano ko lang po noon is to go back to my election law practice, because I used to be an election lawyer before I joined government, and also to go back to my teaching sa law school. I used to teach in San Beda College of Law. So yun lang po yung balak ko. Now the late Congressman Ed Selagman, who was the party president of LP then, ay kinausap nga po ako. He was convincing me to run for Senate, pero I told him point blank na hindi po ako ready, sir. Wala po akong plano to go back to politics. I don't think kaya ko ngayon. Gusto ko bumalik na muna uli sa private life, sa private career. So sabi naman niya, okay, kung wala kang plano, ang advice ko sa iyo, umikot ka sa bansa at tell your story directly to the people. So yun po ang ginawa ko. At sa pag-ikot-ikot ko nga po, kasi kunento ko yung mga pinagdaanan ko, lalo na in my life in detention, at kung bakit po ginawa sa akin yon. So yun po ang kinikwento ko. Now I realize there's still a lot more to be done. Ang dami pong suliranin ng ating bansa. So nung nagkaroon ng significant development within the LP, which is yung na-accredit po ng COMELEC, yung ML, Mamamayang Liberal, as party list. For the first time, ay in-accredit po ng COMELEC. Ay kinausap po ako nila Kong Edsel, and yung ibang mga kasamahan ko sa LP. Now, kung ayaw mo mag-run for Senate, why don't you consider being the lead nominee of ML party list? So pinag-isipan ko po. And after consultations with family, with friends, and most of them said na, okay, yes, give it a try. Why not? Kasi nga, it will give you a platform to advance further your causes. And this time around, ay makaka-focus sa pagtulong sa mga nasa laylayan, yung mga walang boses. So that would be very fulfilling para sa akin na maging, to go by that route, na tutulong para sa mga marginalized sectors para magkaroon sila ng boses sa ating lipunan.